After an intense week of experimenting, testing, and burning through a ton of credits, I finally cracked the code behind the viral Italian Brainrot videos that are flooding TikTok, Instagram, and even YouTube. You've probably seen them, those bizarre, chaotic clips featuring characters like Tung Tong Sahar and Ballerina Cappuccina, filled with dramatic lighting, exaggerated gestures, surreal vibes, and hypnotic AI animation. They're weird, addictive, and completely viral. Instead of letting you go through the same exhausting trial and error process I did, I'm going to show you exactly how to make them from scratch. I'll walk you through the entire workflow, what tools to use, how to generate the characters and animations, how to write the perfect Brainrot-style script, and even how to add the voiceover and music that gives these videos their iconic flair. Whether you're looking to ride the trend, grow your audience, or just have fun creating, this step-by-step tutorial will save you time, money, and frustration, and help you produce viral content that stands out. Just take a look at this quick video I whipped up in under 10 minutes.
Yes, 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 Cappuccino Ballerina. No, no, la polizia, no, poco Dio, no,
Crazy, right? That was made using nothing but a few text prompts, some clever animation settings, and a little help from an AI tool called OpenArt. Step 1. Choose your characters. Inside OpenArt, there's a section called Consistent Character. You can either train your own character by uploading your images, or skip the hassle and scroll down to choose from a huge library of pre-existing AI-trained characters. Lucky for us, most of the viral characters are already available. Trolero Trolala, Bombardino Cocodilo, Tung 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 Sahar, and so on. No need to train anything from scratch. You just pick one and start prompting. Step 2. Generate your image. Once you've selected your character, simply write a prompt describing what you want them to do. You can get as specific as you like. Then pick the dimensions, hit Create, and boom, you've got a meme-worthy image. Want to spice it up with multiple characters? Easy. Just click Add Character, go to the character library, and select another one. Maybe Tala and Trippy the dolphin are having a dramatic argument. Maybe Chimpanzini Bananini is eating a banana while Cappuccino Assassino watches in confusion. Whatever fever dream scenario you want to create, you can make it happen. Once your scene is set, I recommend generating 4 image variations. That way, you can pick the best one for your video. Step 3. Turn the image into a video. This is where it gets really fun. Click Use Image and then go to Image to Video. This takes you to OpenArt's video generator. You'll have a few AI models to choose from. I personally use Kling 2.0 for the highest quality, though it's also the most credit-intensive. You can also try Kling 1.6 or VU for more budget-friendly options. Now, write out your video prompt. This can include both the action and camera movement. For example, I asked for Cappuccino girl looking at her phone, then standing up and walking away. Hit Create, and you'll get a smooth, animated video of your scene. Step 4. Add the Brainrot sound and voiceover. Once your video is ready, you'll want to add sound. There are a few key ingredients. Sound effect. You can use that chaotic Italian brain music meme sound that everyone adds. It's part of the trend and instantly recognizable. Voiceovers. Here's where it gets wild. For the voice, we're heading over to ElevenLabs. But before we do that, we need a script, and this is where ChatGPT comes in. I wrote a custom prompt you can use to generate these absurd little Italian-style monologues. Here's how. Ask ChatGPT to write a dramatic, over-the-top Italian narrative using the character names. Make sure they're in all caps so ElevenLabs emphasizes them. Make sure the story ends on a cliffhanger or a dramatic twist. It adds to the Brainrot charm. Translate it back into English so you know what it means. Then shorten it to fit your voiceover length. Once you've got your script, head to ElevenLabs, select the Atom voice, set it to expressive, shouting, and tweak the sliders to your liking. I use Speed 1.04, Stability 59%, Similarity 75%. Paste in your script, hit Generate, and boom, you have your voiceover. Sometimes you'll need to regenerate if the AI pronounces something weird, especially with made-up names like chimpanzini or trillero trillala. Step 5. Editing it all together. Now it's time to edit everything into one cohesive meme storm. Import all your video clips into your favorite video editor, CapCut, Premiere Pro, DaVinci Resolve, anything works. Start by compiling the clips into one sequence. Add soft fades between scenes to make the transitions smoother. Then, drop in your voiceover and sync it with the clips. Don't forget to trim out any silent parts. Lastly, layer that iconic meme soundtrack in the background, and boom! You've officially created a viral Brainrot meme video. Here's what the final result might look like.
Tung 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 Sahur e Cappuccina Ballerina ridono insieme, ma all'improvviso un SMS la tradisce e lei corre da brr brr patapim. No! Dalla loro passione nasce una vita. Cappuccina Ballerina è incinta. Tradito e furioso, Tung 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 Sahur evoca Cappuccino assassino. Dal cielo Bombardiro Crocodilo scatena la sua vendetta sganciando una bomba su brr brr patapim.
Everything in this video was generated using OpenArt, and if you want to try it out for yourself, I highly recommend getting either the Advanced or Infinite plan so you have plenty of credits to experiment. If you see this video is helpful, please like, share and subscribe for my channel. Hope you have a good time.